So I paid 5 strangers on Fiverr to retouch my photo. I paid $5, $20, $50, $100, and $300. So we have different price points, and I'm actually gonna be guessing which retouch is which price point. So I'm not gonna actually know how much each retouch was. I'm gonna just guess. So it's gonna be a game. And we're gonna see how many I get right. So which one's the $5 retouch? Which one's the $20 retouch? Which one's $300? Let's find, well, I'm actually gonna guess first, then we're gonna find out. At the end of the video, I'm gonna be revealing which photo was which price point and how many I got right. So you can join me and guess along with me. Let's get started with the first one. Maybe I'll get lucky and they'll all be in order. $5 from like cheapest to most expensive. I'm stressed, you guys. What if I get it wrong? So I gave each retouch a letter. This is letter J. Okay. Let's zoom. We gotta do the zoom in, you guys. Come on. Wait, should I see a before and after? I should see the before and after to really, it has to like slap me in the face for me to know, like, okay, like this is like $20, $5. Like upon first glance, I would almost say this is like $5, just looking at it. So that's before, that's after. Okay, so there's a little bit of color correction in here. The skin wasn't cleaned up that much. The background, like it looks like it was cleaned up, but it looks like it was just darkened up. Like the edge was just darkened up. I would say $5. Probably $5. Also, shout out to the model, Stella. She is amazing. Thank you for letting me use your photo. I'm gonna have her link in the description. Check her out. She's amazing. Is it like a final answer kind of thing? I buzz in, final, can I come back to it? And then we like talk this out, or do I have to say $5? Okay, I'm gonna say $5, but we'll keep our options open. We're not rushing things. It's a slow, why am I talking? It's not a relationship. It's not. Okay, let's go to K. Wow. So that's before, that's after. Oh, this has to be 300. Beautiful retouch. Very professional looking. I'm seeing some dodge and burn. You guys know how much I love dodge and burn because I can't do it because I suck at that. Okay, K is a difficult one right now because I'm kind of thinking it could be 300, but I want to see my other options first. This is not a relationship. Why do I sound like I'm, this is not like a relationship. I'm like, I'm open to other things, you know, I'm not sure. I feel like the 300, maybe they would have done a little bit more. Like just a little bit. So maybe this is the $100. I'm gonna come back to it. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is N. So that's before, that's after. Oh, this is 300. This has to be 300. Answer locked. I just know this is a $300 one. Wow, I love the tones. This is $300 for sure. If it's not 300, I will be so shocked. This is beyond gorgeous. They fixed the makeup too, the eyeshadow. You guys notice right here, eyeshadow. They blended it in. Like, are they also a makeup artist? That's amazing. I absolutely love the tones. Her hair is more on the white side now, if you notice. And there's a bit more warmth to her face as well. So this is the lipstick before, and that's after. Fantastic. This is my favorite one so far. So let's go to the next one, which is R. This is before. This is after. Wow, okay. That's before. That's after. So they even cropped it in. I like the crop. I really do like it. That's before, after. Let's do a zoom in. Wow. This is great too. What? Which one? Then which one is this? Is this the $100? Okay, see, this is where things get a little complicated. Okay. Love the skin retouch. Which one is this? Okay, I forgot what the other one. I don't even remember the other one. I don't know about this one. This could be 50 or 100. All right, let's go to the last one, which is S. This is before. This is after. Okay, all right. There's some kind of distortion going around, or maybe something was pushed. I don't know. Something like it was pushed in from here. This one, it just looks like there was a filter added to it. Skin. I mean, it's not, I can tell it's not like dodge and burn. So the skin retouch isn't bad, but it's not super professional. Like you can see a little bit of patchiness here from maybe a clone stamp tool or healing brush. You can see some duplicates right there in the texture. Or maybe it's just me because I live on the computer and my eyes are like ruined, so I can tell. The colors, I'm not crazy about the colors for this one. They lifted the blacks a lot, so you can still see here. I would have just cleaned that stuff up. I would have also cleaned this up here, which leads me to believe this is probably the $5 retouch. $5. I'm gonna write down all my final answers. So this one's $5. Is it this one or that one that's $5? Between these two, J and S, one of them has to be $5. You know, I feel like this one could be $20 because they like to throw you like a little curveball, like they add that filter in there. So I'm actually gonna, I'm crossing this out. S is the $20 retouch, and then J is the $5 retouch. Probably wrong, but let's keep moving. We see a little bit more of a professional skin retouch in K. I see that the shadows were brightened up. The tone overall was handled really nicely in this photo. I'm gonna say this one, did I say it was $50? I'm gonna say 50. And no question, $300. I'm not even questioning that. If I'm wrong, I'll literally be shocked. I wouldn't even know what to do with my life if N is not the $300 retouch. Why am I being so dramatic? It's not that. Okay. So R, so then is R the $100 retouch? No, K is $100. K is 100. R is 50. See, this is how you guess. You just keep switching. You just keep changing your answers. So my official guess, J, $5. My guess for K was $50, but I'm changing it to $100. Okay, N is the $300 one. No questions asked. Let's just keep it moving. We all know it's $300. My guess for R will be $50. And the last one, S, I'm gonna say $20. I was gonna say $5, but they added the filter, so I'm like, someone probably was like, they gotta get their money's worth. Let's throw on a filter there. So those are my final answers. So now it's time to see the final prices and how many I got right. So this one, no. What? Wait, is this right? Ooh, this can't, what? No. Okay, wow. So this J is supposed to be the $300 retouch, and I guessed it to be $5. I'm gonna double check this. There's no way I've had, like, I probably made a mistake. I guess I didn't make a mistake. All right, let's just close this up. And I confirmed it by going to my Fiverr order and making sure that it was the right photo. So if that one's not $300, I probably got all the other ones wrong. Maybe he sent me the original on accident or something. Maybe he sent me back my picture.
Let's just keep this moving. Okay.
Okay, so J, I got that wrong. The next one, K, is $5. What? I thought this one was $100. You guys got me messed up on this website. You're telling me this was $5? You're telling me this was $5? Is this a joke? Where's Ashton? Ashton, are you here? Am I being punked? Is that show even on? Okay, so this one's also wrong.
Well, that messes up everything else. If that's not $5. Okay, so that's okay.
Go to the next one. $25. Is this a joke? All right, who? Okay. All right, no, that's fine. I got that one wrong too. Oh, I just thought it was $300. Yeah, but it was actually $25. So I still have potential to get at least one of these right. Right or no? So did I get these all wrong? If this is okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, R is $100. I guessed at 50. I was close. Can I give myself that one? I'm gonna give myself. Come on, I need a point, you guys, please. The last one is $50? So I got all of these wrong. Okay, that's fine. I mean, I flopped it. What can I say? It's like Magikarp. I was flopping the entire time. Terrible. It was terrible.
Well. Alright.
You guys have to be honest and tell me which ones you guys got right. Did you guess any of them? Did you guess all of them properly? Leave your guesses below in the comments. Let us know how close you were. Did you get? I literally got 0 right. So even if you got 1, you would have beat me. And let me know if you guys want me to do another one like this. This was really fun. Thanks for the suggestion. You guys actually suggested this, so I appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.